Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a 2007 Honda Little Cub 50. So these are Cub 50s essentially, but they have 14-inch front wheel, so much, and rear wheel, so much smaller wheel compared to the 17 inches on the Honda Super Cub 50. And they also go a bit more spontaneous and larger with colours. So this is a baby blue with kind of a beigey aftertones and a cream seat as well. So really nice. These are always good sellers and really popular little bikes, as you can kind of imagine with the colour of them. They look fantastic. But as we'll go through the bike, you'll see it's in really nice condition as well. Front tyres brand new fitted. Little scuffing on the front mudguard here, but nothing too major. Up over the top then, all really good condition. We do have a front rack if you'd like it, €30. We then have the plastics on the front left and right, really good condition. The indicated assembly at the top is really good. No marks or anything to note up along the top of the paint here on the handlebars. Only 11,398 kilometers. Instrument clusters here, left and right hand side, really good with these beigey from factory. These are grips. Original mirrors on it as well. We have the engine areas in good condition with some very minor rubbing here on the left hand side. Rear swing arm and chain guard present, really good condition as well. Up over the top, the top of the shocks here, which is a usual one for rusting, is in tip-top condition. Under the seat then again as well, really good condition. Here's your fuel gauge. Rear black rack as well, smaller than the C50, but that's just to match the smaller nature of the bike. 2007 bike, as I said at the start, and the rear tyre is about 25% left on it. The actual exhaust here, good condition with the heat guard on it as well. Right hand side of the engine here, again good condition. Side panels all good condition, nothing to make note of on the paint really. Little mark underneath here. Apart from that, pretty good the whole way around, and even going up to the front here, that's just a bit of muck that we have had sprayed up on it from riding it. So we'll go from now the visual inspection into the ride along video.
Alright, hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. We're now on to the Honda Little Cub 50. It's actually, what I didn't say in the video, it's a 4-speed electric start model. So we'll just show that working as it should. So electric start and kick start, so really handy. 4-speed gets you a bit more speed out of it as well. So that's 4 gears. Very rare, very unusual. So another little bit of a benefit onto this bike. Let me just check that I am recording. I am indeed. See if we get this up a bit more. Only 11,000 kilometers on the clock on this one. And if I remember rightly, the last blue Little Cub that we had, I did about 70 kilometers an hour on. And this one feels fairly sprightly as well. Get the indicator on. Just come out of here slowly. And we go around the usual route here. Testing all the usuals, uphill, downhill. The test is usually quite good, actually, especially for these 50cc motorcycles. Bike feels very quick indeed. Lots of pickup, plenty of power in her. Not as much as you can expect now. That's third gear now. How are the brakes? As you would expect for a Honda 50. Not the best, not the worst. And up the hill now, we'll see what kind of speeds we're doing. We're usually getting about 50 to 60 kilometers an hour out of a Honda 50 uphill, and 60 to 70 downhill. Usually the top gear, the fourth gear, is usually just for kind of motoring along on an N11 or a dual carriageway, that kind of thing. We're doing about 50 kilometers an hour up here now. Moving around the turnabout here now. Just gonna get around here and we'll bomb it down. And down we go. Into third, we'll try to get into fourth gear now, coming down here. And we're in fourth. So this is, yeah, downhill you're going to be doing 70 kilometers an hour, no problem, but I'm not going to hit that type of speed in around this estate here now. And we're going to pop into the left here. Move around, let's check the horn. Horn is working lovely. Indicator working there as well. Everything on it really lovely. Nothing, no crease or anything from the suspension even going over little potholes like that. All feels really nice. Even myself at 188 centimeters or about 6'2", fit on the bike quite nicely, even without my knees hitting the handlebars, that is. I come around the corner and away we go. I'm going to turn into the left here. Let's turn in left here and put the bike down again for its picture. Here we go. Put it down on the main stand here. Get a picture of her now for the thumbnail on YouTube, and bear with me slightly for one moment as I get a nice picture of her here. That's a lovely one. But we'll go to the electrics now. You can see the bike running, ticking over nicely. Left indicator, seeing the sun working there. Also that one, right indicator working there also, front and rear. Brake light then we'll check also now. Well, also working. Thanks very much. Is that what you call a Vespa? No, that's a Honda 50.
Oh, it's a Honda 50?
Yeah, yeah.
Are you selling it?
I am, yeah.
Oh, right. It's
Yeah.
gorgeous.
Yeah. I run the little motorcycle dealership that's in there, Retro Bikes Dublin.
Oh, right.
They're very popular, these little ones, as you can imagine.
And is that a GoPro you've on you there?
Yeah, yeah. So I'm doing a video of it because of COVID now. What I do is I do all the condition of the bike and then I ride it to show that it's working and everything's right on it. So
And it looks like it's in really good nick. It's gorgeous.
it's a lovely little thing, isn't it?
Well done.
Alright, good luck. There you go. As you can see, it gets plenty of eyes for what it is. They are absolutely gorgeous. She is right. They are really lovely looking little bike. But I don't know, I forget where I was, but if you have liked the video, please do leave a like. Also comment down below what you think of these little cubs, and finally subscribe if you haven't already. And if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook, Instagram, and our official website being www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.